Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Today I taking new condenser microphone. So now I video how to fix new condenser microphone. See, first I open this and here have all. This is voice clearly foam. This is description paper and this is sound card, B8 sound card. This is condenser microphone and this is foam fixed here cable. So now first before I open this hanger. Okay, I am not open because now I not use this. Okay, this one here and this stand. This is stand. So you use this clip same this one here fixed here and this fixed table or other any area, no problem. But then see here fixed here and this microphone fixed here, same hole. So fix this. Then you fixed this cable. Okay, finish. Then here fixed condenser microphone, this cable here. So now see here have connection live 1 live 2. You can need live same 2 example YouTube and Facebook, no problem. But two mobile, one mobile not coming, one mobile here, one mobile here, two live, one live, two live. Then this is your input, this is input your any other mobile or computer or voice inside going music or voice. Okay, this is charging. You can need charge, but this inside have one battery, maybe 2 or 3 hour here charge you can use, no problem. And this is your earphone, same like this. You can use big gaming headphone, no problem, and use this. You can use mobile headphone, no problem. You use this here headphone here. Okay, and this is handset. This outside going this handset or other handset going voice out here, and this condenser microphone. So now I fixed. See here first use microphone, condenser microphone here, and this is I no need this one. So I need now this is microphone, this microphone. Okay, this charger, no problem, charger have here, but you fix no problem. This is charger fixed here. Okay, and this incoming voice, this is going computer or laptop or other mobile coming music. Okay, then this other one going live fixed here. This is going live. You can need not live, you can need only your video recording, no problem. Same you going live here fixed, same you going video recording, video on fixed here. This cable, no problem. Now you check here. Okay, we fixed only this, and then open this power button, press 3 seconds, this open. You can off this, press 3 seconds, now of this. Then you know any guys no understand, please comment me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, tata.